guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing an exciting video. Again, Valentine's Day themed because it's the season of love. With that comes a lot of cute things too, you see hearts everywhere at the store. It comes to your mind, what am I gonna get, my friends, family, significant other? Well, I got you, because these are gonna be affordable, special, unique, custom, because they're all DIYs and it's gonna be fun. But anyways, let's get started. I don't want to ramble. This first one, I was obsessed because I would love to receive this one. Basically just a laundry basket and two brooms, with flowers wrapped around, and like a cute bear, and chocolates, and a huge like heart balloon, which you can probably get at the dollar store. Anyways, you can get this for your mom, your best friend. You can give it to anyone. I mean, a little hot air balloon. That's the first idea that you could give someone, and it doesn't look very complicated to do. But yeah, I love that. This next one, she kind of just did like two bowls together, and they took a bunch of like candies and stuff, and then the little what's his name? I should know this. My boyfriend's a huge Star Wars fan. Oh my god, Yoda, right? Yes, Yoda. Would put it like kind of Star Wars theme, so you can kind of customize it to whoever you're gonna give it to. Your mom, you could put her favorite perfume or something like that, or just like her favorite candies, things like that. A balloon that says mom, you can add a bunch of different additional things. This next one I also thought was super cute, by the same TikToker Lou Flores. She just has such great ideas. Like a stick, and then she like had one of those flower thingies, and she just put a chocolate box and then like paper around it and then wrapped it, and I'm just like, girl, you're so creative. It's like a bowl that she found also that's a heart. Like, I'm hoping that I can find this all at my Dollar Tree. But it looks like, a lot of times they do carry the same stuff at other ones, but like it looks so cute, and it like that easily could be like $60 if you buy it online, but you could make it yourself, and it's such a special thing to give. This next one I saw actually a few times on TikTok. It's kind of like a giant ring pop that you can make yourself. They just used the styrofoam thing for like flowers, make it like the ring shape, and she painted it with just pink paint that she got at the dollar store. She just made the base with two bowls, it looks like, yeah, and she put like all the nice treats in there, some candy, chips, their favorite picture of something that they like. So like it could be a TV show if they're obsessed with a band, for your friend. Like if they love Harry Styles, you could put like Harry Styles' face in there, and it'll be like Harry Styles themed Valentine's Day, things like that. I don't know, whoever their celebrity crush is. Again, customizable to any loved one. You can make one of them for them. And it looks not too complicated, just like all gluing stuff. You just need a hot glue gun and cardboard and two bowls and a bunch of candy. The end result is so cute, like a Valentine's ring giant pop candy. Like, yes, that's amazing. Anyways, I thought that one was super interesting. This next one I thought looked so expensive and so gorgeous. Basically what she did is a box, and she put that styrofoam that they use for flowers to make them stay. She put that all in, and then she cut up like the roses stems and then stuck them in between there, and then in the middle she put the perfume, and that looks like it could be easily an $80 gift. Honestly, probably be more than $80 these days, probably like $150 just for them to decorate it like that for you. So I thought this was a beautiful idea to have and share, and make that for someone special in your life. This next one I thought was so special because I love music, and I would love to receive this gift. It's just a cute little heart that this girl painted, kind of like it looks kind of like an album, and then you stick on like the Spotify, like you can scan it with your phone, and then it's a whole playlist that you can create for someone. Take kind of what they like and try to find songs that you think that they like, and kind of share experiences in that way. I think that's so freaking cool. Like, I would love to receive it. So this was just a cute idea that I really love. Genius. Amazing. This next one is great. It's a simple shoebox that you spray paint. Take any old shoebox. I know I have like 5 that I need to get rid of, and you just spray it, your friend's favorite color, and then you kind of write their name on the box or something, and then inside you can put like cute little things like candies, candles, face mask, anything you think your friend will like, or your mom, anyone who's special to you, your dad, you can make them one too. This gift can be for anyone special in your life, and you just fill it with the things they love. Again, a lot of these commonalities in Valentine's Day things, it's just getting someone something special that they love, and expressing how much it means for them to be in your life, and you appreciate them and the things about them, right? Yeah guys, that looks like that was the last one. thank you so much for watching the whole video. I hope these Valentine ideas are helpful to you, and kind of relieve some stress, because a lot of the times people do stress out about what to get. And having the perfect night, when the perfect night doesn't have to be something so elaborate. It can be something so simple that can make someone's day. So just remember that for Valentine's Day. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a like. Maybe I'll do some more. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. It would mean the world. And yeah, bye now. Happy Valentine's Day.